हेलो एवरीवन, अवनीत दिस साइड फ्रॉम साइबर कार बालीनगर। आज हमने प्रोफिट का 12.3 इंचेस का एंड्रॉयड स्टीरियो इंस्टॉल किया है न्यू क्रेटा के अंदर। दिस इज़ अ फुल फ्लेज एंड्रॉयड टैबलेट जिसकी आप फिटमेंट चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। प्रॉपर OEM टाइप फिटमेंट होती है स्टीरियो की, विच इज़ प्रोवाइडेड इन द टॉप वेरिएंट ऑफ दिस कार। द स्क्रीन साइज ऑफ दिस स्टीरियो इज इन 12.33 inches, which is specially made for new Creta, which is the 2025 variant. If we consider the features of the stereo, in this stereo we are provided with a lot of features. Like first of all, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा, this stereo comes along with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. The touch response of the screen remains flawless due to presence of capacitive touch in it. इस stereo के साथ we are also provided with the provision for installing a SIM, through which we can directly install a SIM and access all the network services in the stereo. We are also provided with the 360-degree camera support. हमने इस कार के अंदर 360-degree cameras भी इंस्टॉल किए जिसकी आप लुक चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। On the left side of the screen we are provided with a specific view, and on the right side we can have a satellite view of the car. You can have a look of the image which is appearing on the right side. Basically, in this satellite mode, all the objects which are near the car are showing on the screen. Like as you can check out, a pothole near the car is located which is showing accurately. Apart from this, a lot of other features are also available in this 360-degree camera mode. You can have a look over it as well. We are also provided with the DVR setting through which we can record each and every side of the car. The only thing in order to start the recording is to connect an external storage along with the stereo, after which the recording can be done. On engaging the reverse gear, automatically the reverse camera will be loaded on the screen. These are the trajectory lines which guides us when we have to stop the car. And on the right side we are also provided with a satellite view which can help in reversing the car easily. And on engaging the car onto parking or neutral mode, automatically the front camera would be loaded for a couple of seconds. The dwell time can also be adjusted according to a requirement. On engaging the indicator, automatically that side view will appear on the screen. Like मैंने अभी right side के indicator को on किया, after which the right side of the car is appearing. Similarly, the same carries on for left side as well. You can have a look over it as well. If we talk about the other features of the stereo, this is a full-fledged Android tablet containing all features in it. In this stereo, we are provided with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which works with both wired as well as wireless connection that can be easily accessed by using the Z-Link 5 application. After installation of the screen in your car, जितने भी कार के original features company provide करके देती है, like the steering control keys, have proper functionality along with it. You can have a look over it as well. All the keys are functioning properly. Apart from this, moving on to the other features of the stereo. In this stereo we are provided with the DSP settings, which stands for digital sound processor. You can have a look over the equalizers. In total 48 bands of equalizer are available. Each and every point of sound can be adjusted according to a requirement. This is the balance and fader option which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in car or not. And this is the speaker option which can be used to control each and every speaker individually. We can control the volume for each and every speaker according to a requirement. We are also provided with the invert mode setting in this. These are the settings which include surround sound option and loudness mode. Surround को on करने के बाद कार के अंदर flow of sound increase हो जाता है, and loudness को enable करने के बाद mids and bass काफ़ी ज़्यादा enhance हो जाते हैं. And this is the high pass filter and low pass filter option. In this also we are provided with the 3 options. And at last, this is the time alignment setting which can be used to align the flow of sound. So these all are the DSP settings which are available in the stereo. Apart from this, moving on to the other features, एक बार मैं आपको स्क्रीन की पिक्चर क्लैरिटी दिखाना चाहूँगा. I am playing a video on the screen जिसकी आप लुक चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. This is the normal resolution of this video that I have played right now. We can also change the resolution. You can have a look. This is the full screen mode in which the image has been stretched and the whole screen has been occupied along with this video. So if you wish to install the stereo in your car, you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. All over India delivery facility be available in case if you are from any another state.